In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a progress bar in Notion. Great for tracking goals or tasks. It's simple and visual, which makes it perfect for productivity setups. Let's get started and build one together. First, open Notion and sign into your account using your preferred method. Then choose the workspace where you want to add your progress bar. Scroll to the right side of your database and click the plus button to add a new column. Find and select number as the property type. Edit the column by switching the display type to bar and rename it to progress. Finally, edit the divide by value based on your needs. For this video, I'll set it to 100 to represent 100%. And that's how you create a progress bar in Notion. It's quick, flexible, and super helpful for staying on track. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more Notion and productivity tutorials. See you next time!